back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play California Dreamin' by the Mamas and the Papas. It's a great acoustic song, kind of a campfire song. So let's get started with the lesson. So this song is in standard tuning with a capo on the 4th fret. And for the purpose of explaining this, I'm just going to call the 5th fret is going to be fret number 1, 2, 3, 4. So a lot of this song is based off of this A minor chord. The intro to it, which is only played at the very beginning, is going to be the middle 2 strings here on the 2nd fret, D and G. You're going to use your middle 2 fingers for that. You're going to go. 3rd fret on the B, 1st fret on the B, and then open. And let those strings ring, go. And I think from there, he's going to this chord here, which is, it's an E chord. I'm not a proper schooled musician, so I'm not sure what E chord this is. It's some sort of derivative of an E7. So it's the 2nd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the G string. Then I put my pinky down here on the 3rd fret of the B string. It's an older song, and I'm listening to a recording of it. This is what I'm coming up with by listening to it by ear. So this is what I get. 2nd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the G, 3rd fret of the B. And once again, you want to get all those strings ringing. That's the intro. And then it goes into the progression, which is going to be an A minor, 2nd fret of the D and the G, 1st fret of the B, to a G chord, 3rd fret of the E, 2nd fret of the A, pinky down there on the 3rd fret of the high E, to an F. 1st finger is going to bar over the 1st fret of these 2 strings, of your E and your B, 2nd fret of the G, 3rd fret of the D, back to the G, then to an E7. After the 2nd G, you're going to go back to this opening E chord, and then end on this E major. Second fret of the A, the D, 1st fret of the G string. Okay, that is the first chord progression. It's 5 chords. The next chord progression is going to be a C chord, 3 on the A, 2 on the D, 1st fret on the B string, to an E7, 2nd fret of the A, 1st fret of the G, to an A minor, to an F again, and then back to the original E that ends on an E major. Okay, so it goes. that's basically the chord progression, and it's going to do it 3 or 4 times. There's even a part where one of the people are singing and they're kind of muting it. So if you're a beginner and you're learning this song, I guess the way to break it down is it's 2 chord progressions. You're going to go A minor, G, F, G, that little E chord transition. Then the next 5 chords would be C, E7, A minor to the F, back to the original E transition, that E7, back to your E major. So those are the chords to this song. So, and I think this is a great beginner song. It's a few chords that repeat over and over again. It's a fairly short song. It's in standard tuning, and it's all first position chords. So I hope this helps you out. Play along with the recording, beginning to end. It's best to learn the entire song, beginning to end, and it'll make a great guitar player. It's a fun song to play. So I hope you liked it. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free, and it helps us out a lot. So thank you, and have a great day.